Beautiful. We'll be taking your calls with any questions you might have about mommy makeovers. The phone number, 800-440-4884. And again, we'll be putting the number for the doctor's office during and at the end of the segment. Also, certainly you want a second opinion. You know, we've had some male callers. We obviously can't get to all the calls. Do you find that the husbands or the dads kind of put the pressure on mom?
You know,
or
in my experience, and it might really be just my demographic, I have women who come in and say, you know, this is about me. My husband says, do whatever makes you feel better, but I love you and you made these babies, and you know, this is us growing older together. It's okay. Yeah. So, nice. You know, we like that.
Okay. But we women are hard on ourselves. Speaking of that, let's go to the phone lines. Tamara from San Francisco, do you have a quick question for the doctor?
Hi, Dr. Lee. It's Tamara from the Hunt Line. How are you?
Fine, Tamara. How are you?
I am great. First of all, I want to say thank you. Since I saw you a long time ago, I lost all the fat, so I'm wearing my first bikini.
Congratulations! Aren't you going to tell them that
abdominoplasty and with the lipo? I strongly recommend you always.
Okay, good. Tamara's a former patient.
Fantastic.
I'm very happy.
Thank you.
My question now is that we're going to plan to come see you again. And we're talking about breast augmentation because since I lost the weight, I'm kind of going flat here.
Right.
So in terms of the difference between saline and silicone, I want to find something that's long-term and yet healthy. What would you recommend?
Well, you know, it's something, they both have pros and cons. The silicone has been proven to be safe by all the FDA testing. The saline are still saline. Both of them have aging problems. The silicone needs to be followed differently with different kinds of screening. So it's a great question. It's something that we should talk about when you come in.
All right, thanks, Tamara.
Okay.
I hate to move on, but we want to get, how about Maria from Santa Clara? Maria, do you have a question for the doctor?
Yeah, hi. I wanted to know, I had a heart surgery about 4 years back, and I'm back and I'm healthy. But I definitely need a tummy tuck, and years back I had the muscles tightened.
Yes.
But now at this point, I'm just wondering, would I be healthy enough to undergo something like that?
You know, that's a great surgery. That's a great question. I mean, you know, having had heart disease, having it corrected may mean that you're perfectly fine having it done. It would be the kind of thing that we would need to discuss, or I would need to discuss with your cardiologist to clear you for surgery. But just having had a cardiac problem doesn't necessarily mean that you can't have surgery, but it's something that's very important to look into.
Okay, thank you, Maria. You know, I think I should mention this because tomorrow is kind of an event that the folks who can't talk to you on the phone, they can actually meet you in person. It's another one of the people that we interview, the Skirt Working Network, and they're having an event tomorrow at the Hyatt in San Francisco on the Embarcadero.
Right, and I've been invited to be there, so I'm going to be there meeting people, and I believe it's at 5:30, and you can register at worktheskirt.com.
Something like that.
Or call my office if you have questions about registering. But I will be donating a free consultation in the office then with either an injectable or a skincare starter kit.
Oh, so
I'll be there talking and donating.
And so the lucky winner will be able to receive something like that. They also, I guess you can get 4 days. There's going to be 4 days.
There's some huge prizes
at a warm place, and they say make sure you bring your bikini. And so obviously before you want to put on your bikini, what do we do? We have to have the mommy makeover. Again, Mother's Day, May 9th.
Right.
Not a lot of time to be able to you know,
but you can plan
nice
for next
gift,
year.
I guess, a mommy makeover. And again, you know, we only have a couple of seconds left, and I don't have time to get to the rest of the calls. But for somebody who would be asking you, what is the first thing that they ask you when they say, look, what's with my body? What do I need?
Well, what we do is discuss in a rank order list what it is that really concerns them first, and then we go from there.
Okay, so it might just be one small thing. Maybe it's just a Botox and you know, between the forehead and forget the rest. All right, thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Lee.
Thank you for having me.
And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
That's right.
Work that skirt.
That's right.
Thanks, everybody, for joining us. For more information about Dr. Lee, call her 510-704-2170 or check her out on the web at artfulsurgery.com. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.